Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging, and this is part 2 of my review for AliExpress. So let's get this bag open and see what is in here. Is if I can get it undone. Holy cow. Alright, now this is the weirdest way I've ever seen spring kit come. Let me pull you up just a bit. Has no box. It doesn't have the lovely spring thing. So, I'm not sure why it was packaged this way. And let me see if I can get to the deal here. Well, that's weird. It has no picture, just the pattern. I will put a picture of this right in here. This is absolutely stunning. It has, are you ready? 112 colors. Yeah, but I just thought it was pretty. I like the composition, and I think it was somewhere around $30, something like that. So yeah, but I did like, you know, the way it looked. I like the pagoda thing and all the pink flowers and the orange going in there and the mountains. Yeah, I'm just shocked. I don't know. This pattern is weird. I don't know why it's like this. It is 280 stitches by 365 stitches, and I don't see, maybe it'll be on the other thing, you know, how many centimeters it is. We're going to measure it anyway, but this has full stitch. Whoops, where was the rest of it? Goes all the way down here, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mixed stitches. So I don't see any back stitching or anything like that. This is just bizarre. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at the colors. I see no... Let's start over here. We have 154, which is the mulberry. There is no 310 black. We have 321, which is Christmas red. Coming over here. No 550 purple. No. Nothing else. Let's see. Looking at colors. We have 823, which is a dark blue. No 939. We have 3371, which is the dark brown. And holy cow. It's got this on 3 pages here. We have 3865 for the white, and it does have 2 sets of numbers. The outside numbers go to the canvas. The inside numbers go to this paper pattern. It's a little crinkled and wrinkled on the edges, so I don't know if the plastic thing got ruined or the box. I have no idea. This is just too much for me. So those are the colors. We have 3770 as well, which is that butter color. But we'll take a look at the colors anyway. We have 4 thread cards. And an extra little packet of 4 colors. 2 of them are gray. Are they the same? Yep. Kind of a grayish blue, and then a medium to a light blue, and then a darker blue. Beautiful colors. And it is 14 count Egyptian cotton. Comes with 3 needles. Let me shake this out. It likes to mat together. Beautiful, beautiful blues, purples, or shades of purple, I should say. There's your mulberry. There is, nope, 321. Red is right here. Lovely pinks, greens, browns. Got a rainbow going here. Lots of stunning, stunning colors. I can hardly wait to see this canvas. I'm trying to get everybody shifted. Some more browns, kind of a peach color. Beautiful blues and purples. Kind of shades of red. This is more of a brick red. And this is a red red. We have a magenta. We have pinks. Oranges in various shades. Okay, I thought I had an extra, what do you call it, thread card here. Beautiful, beautiful dark blue, olive greens, grass greens, peaches, oranges, pinks, purples, you name it, it is here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I'm excited to work on those, or with those colors, I should say. Get that all shook out and put that in the middle so that we don't lose it, because it's kind of a small little pack there. But just a stunning rainbow of colors. Gorgeous. Okay, canvas, don't let me down. Get rid of that. I like how it comes, you know, packaged separately. It is serged all the way around. Okay, top to bottom. Hang on, gotta back up. Well, yay, it hasn't been wet, so whatever happened didn't happen to anything else. Beautifully printed. Just stunning. All the key runs all the way down the bottom, and then continues, shoot, over here to here, and then these right here are your mixed colors. But very well printed, nice, big, and easy to see. And it's going to have some confetti. But I think it's a beautiful canvas. I really do. Canvas and the pattern. Let me see if I can move it sideways. See if I can measure this for us, because I can't remember. I just like the way it looked. I like all those colors together. It is, oh, just a hair's breadth from 75 centimeters, or almost 29.5 inches. So let's say 75 by 60, or 23 3/4 inches. The actual, now that when you go to AliExpress and you order one of these, the numbers that you get there, so let's say it's 50 by 60, is going to be the total size of the canvas, not the actual size of the picture. I just thought I'd mention that. So, actual size is 51 centimeters, or almost 20 1/4 inches by, it's getting there, it's getting there, by almost 66 centimeters, or a little over 25 3/4 inches. And it is full coverage. Yeah, I'm doing this. Gosh, if I could just do it faster. My hands won't go faster. Okay, let me get this so that I can fold it up, so that I can it's kind of squarish in a way. It's oblong, but you know what I mean. Get those out of the way. That'll be the first thing that happens. But I did want you to see how well the printing was. Very nicely done, but it's going to be a confetti nightmare, like right down here, and then you've got some bigger areas. But yeah, there is a lot of confetti here. It'll take a hot moment. It will take a hot moment. But you do, up in the background, have some bigger areas, but not too many. I mean, just maybe this, where are we at? This corner of the canvas has bigger areas. The rest of it is confetti central. Just saying. Oh, it might be better than I think it is, but yeah, I'm not going to hold that much hope for it not having confetti. I think this has more confetti in it than, oh, Colorful Town was more rivers of color, so yeah. And for some odd reason, they sent me a package of this. It didn't come with a toolkit other than needles. So, yeah, I have no idea, but I don't remember ordering this. And as you know, I've got about 15 15 rolls of this stuff. I don't think I've ever got it from AliExpress, but you just wrap it around your finger and it sticks to itself. Make sure you get enough on there so it doesn't go anywhere. My problem with this is if I have it, let's say on this thumb or this index finger, because I've stabbed it too many times, yeah, I tend to sew this right into the canvas. So that's my only thing. Now this seems to have a little bit bigger ribs. Not that that's going to help me not sew it into my canvas. Yeah. We won't be using that. Sorry, Allie. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching today. We will start this afternoon at 1 Mountain Standard Time, USA. So join me for a stitch with me. Thank you for joining me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.